Hey y'all, I have got some 5 off 15 food scenarios to share with y'all. As you know, we've got that 5 off 15 baking deal going on at Dollar General, but it's not just baking items that attach to the 5 off 15. So if you're interested how you can stock up your pantry for around $1 an item, sometimes less, then just keep watching. And if you are new here, make sure to subscribe. Just click subscribe, set that bell to all notifications, and you won't miss a single upload. And if you enjoy the video, maybe leave a like and a comment so I can thank you for watching. And if you really enjoy it, maybe even hype it. Thanks so much, y'all. And if you missed it, don't forget to check out the 3-day sale going on right now at Dollar General. We have tons of great deals. I know I'm headed out to get my buy one, get one free candles today, so make sure you click on this video and check it out. I will link it in the description. Just a reminder, today is the 2 for $6 Smithfield bacon if you choose to pick it up. Now, we do have $1 cash back on the bacon, and we can do this 5 times in one transaction, earning $1 back each time. So make sure you clip that cashback offer if you plan on doing this deal, because when we buy 2, it's $6, but we're going to earn $2 cash back, dropping that down to 2 for $4. Friday, we've got our $10 4-foot pre-lit Christmas trees. And then on the 13th, we've got our $1 holiday gift wrap and holiday bags. So if you missed it last time, holiday gift wrap was $1, make sure to pick some up this time around. All right, y'all, this is the offer we are working with today. It's the instant savings of $5 when we spend $15 on select holiday baking items. Y'all, here is scenario 1. All right, y'all, we're going to pick up one of the family size Idahoan potato bags. Then we are going to pick up one of the Pioneer roasted turkey gravy. Now, you don't have to get roasted turkey. You can get chicken or whatever else you want. And this next item, we've got 2 for $4 on the stovetop stuffing. So pick up 2 stovetop stuffing. You could do chicken, turkey, whatever. Doesn't matter. Next, we're going to pick up 1 can of Del Monte green beans, or no, that's corn. I'm just kidding. We're picking up 1 can of corn and then 1 can of green beans. Now, we've also got 2 for $5 on our Velveeta shells and cheese. So we are going to take advantage of that and put 2 of the Velveeta shells and cheese into our cart. Y'all, here's the breakdown. We're getting the bag of potatoes for $2.85. Pioneer turkey gravy, $1.25, stovetop stuffing for $4, 1 can of corn for $1, 1 can of green beans for $1, 2 boxes of Velveeta shells and cheese for $5. Our subtotal is $15.10. We are going to pay $10.10 for everything, and that works out to be 8 items for $1.26 per item. Let's move along to scenario 2. All right, y'all, we are going to pick up 2 boxes of the Jiffy Corn Muffin Mix. Then we're going to pick up a can of Pam cooking spray. Then we're going to pick up a bag of the roasted garlic family size Idahoan potatoes. This next item is on sale, 2 for $4. So we are going to pick up 2 of our Heinz chicken gravy, turkey gravy, whatever you want. Next, we're going to pick up our French's crispy fried onions. And lastly, we will pick up a can of Del Monte green beans. Y'all, here's the breakdown. We're picking up 2 Jiffy Corn Mix for $1.50, 1 can Pam spray for $3.50, 1 bag of Idahoan family size potatoes at $2.85, 2 jars of Heinz gravy at $4, 1 package of French's onions, and 1 can of Del Monte green beans for $1. Subtotal is $15.60. But we are going to pay $10.60 after that $5 in savings comes off, and that works out to be 8 items at $1.32 each. Scenario 3. For this one, we're going to pick up 1 bag of granulated sugar for $3.25. This is a 4-pound bag. Then we'll pick up a 2-pound bag of the Clover Valley light brown sugar. Then we're going to pick up a powdered sugar bag by Clover Valley. And then we're going to pick up 1 Swanson's chicken broth in the carton, as well as 1 of the Swanson beef broth in the carton. And lastly, we will pick up another family-size bag of Idahoan potatoes. All right, here's the breakdown. We're picking up 1 bag of granulated sugar at $3.25, 1 bag of light brown sugar at $2.35, 1 bag of powdered sugar at $2.35, 1 carton of Swanson's chicken broth at $2.50, and 1 carton of Swanson's beef broth at $2.50. Then we're picking up another family-size bag of mashed potatoes at $2.85. Our subtotal is $15.80, but we're going to get that $5 off, so we will pay $10.80, and that works out to be 6 items for $1.80 each. Alrighty, y'all, here is scenario 4. This one, we're going to pick up 5 cans of Campbell's Cream of Mushroom Soup. Then we will pick up 5 cans of Campbell's Cream of Chicken Soup. Lastly, we're going to pick up 1 16-ounce brick of Velveeta cheese. And here's the breakdown. So 5 cans of Campbell's Cream of Chicken is $5. 5 cans of the Cream of Mushroom is $5. 1 brick of Velveeta is $5.50. So our subtotal is $15.50. Now we are going to pay $10.50, and that works out to be 11 items for 95 cents per item. 95-cent Velveeta is absolutely unheard of. Alright, y'all, that is it for this 5 off 15 baking instant savings. I sure hope that this helps you save some money on some food. I know you can stock your pantry up for fairly cheap this week, and the fact that you don't need any digital coupons, you can just use the 5 off 15 instant savings in store. That is super helpful. Just make sure to enter your phone number at checkout so that the app tracks your savings. I always like to check out how much money I've saved at the end of the year, and this year it's like only $661, but hey, that's okay. Anyway, y'all, thanks so much for watching, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.